Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to make a group chat on Discord. First of all, open the Discord app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom right side. You'll see a purple circle with a plus icon inside. Tap on that icon to start creating a new message or group. After tapping the plus icon, a new screen opens called New Message. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see several options. Tap on New Group to begin adding friends to your group chat. Now you'll see a list of your friends. Select all the friends you want to add to the group chat. Once selected, look at the top right corner. There's a Create option. Tap on it, and just like that, your group chat will be created instantly with your chosen friends. And that's how you can easily make a group chat on Discord. It's quick, fun, and perfect for chatting with multiple friends at the same time. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below if you want more Discord tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.